The eggs in our follicles can get destroyed sooner than later based on our poor diet and lifestyle choices. So, women who are struggling with low AMH, step 1 is to arrest this fall of egg count. This can be done by following a nature-synced lifestyle. Step 2 is to work on increasing the egg count. The conventional theory is that women are born with a finite number of eggs that have to last over their lifetime. When these eggs are finished, we stop ovulating, we stop getting our period, and the window of conception in becoming a mother is shut. However, I came across an alternate theory, which was that we can produce new eggs during our lifetime as well. This was brought about by Jonathan Tilley, a reproductive biologist, through his research papers. So in simple terms, this means AMH can be improved. Many women who have come to me for coaching have seen these results. Even in my case, back in 2015 January, I had a low AMH of 0.3. I was told that I have to conceive within 3 months, otherwise I have to rush for IVF. But in June 2015, I conceived naturally. It's been more than 7 years now. I am still ovulating, still getting my periods every month, and I haven't reached menopause.